Next, let's go to the comment sprite. When clicking on the comment sprite, the user needs to be given the opportunity to input a comment. Next, we need to analyze this comment and indicate it as positive, negative or neutral. Now let's create the code for this. First, drag a when this sprite click code block from events here. Now, let's drag an ask and wait code block under sensing here. Here, the text is given as write your comment. Next is to analyze the received comment. For that, let's drag an if-else code block under control. For the condition here, a code block with the equal sign in the operators is dragged. Next, let's drag a get sentiment of code block in the natural language processing category to the left side of the equal sign. An answer code block under sensing is connected again here. Now it is given as positive to the right side. Okay, now look at the condition we have created. The comment given by the user has been assigned in the answer here. Here, we check whether this answer has a positive feedback. If this condition is true, the value or the positive variable needs to increase by 1. Let's drag a change count by 1 code block in variables here. Click on the arrow in front of count and select positive. Okay, next we need to create the code to check if it is a negative comment in the same way. Let's duplicate this code block for that. I right-click on this if code block and duplicate it. Now, let's add the duplicated code block into this else section. I give as negative to the right side of the equal sign. If the comment is negative, the value of the negative variable need to increase by 1. Here, we click on the arrow in front of positive and select negative. Right. Now, if this comment does not belong to both positive and negative, then it needs to be treated as a neutral comment. Therefore, let's drag a change count by 1 code block in the variables into this else section and change the variable to neutral. Okay, next the comment given by the user needs to be added to the comment list. Let's drag an add thing to comments code block in the variables, away from these two if code blocks like this. Instead of thing, I connect an answer code block under sensing.